for the questions on the back, they give you the equation for each of the questions, and they ask you to graph the data on the graph that's provided. In order to do that, you want to make sure that you choose x values that are represented on the table. So for that first problem, you would choose 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. For the second, you would choose values along the hours column. And for the last problem, you'd choose values 1 to 5. And then answer any questions that follow. So we'll just look at that last problem. It says, Ron got a cell phone rate of C of A equals 0.22 plus 0.10A. Graph the cost per minute. How much will a 5-minute call cost? So if you just give me 1 second. Okay. I'm going to let my function be, my x values are A, because the A is the variable in the equation, and y is the C of A. Now, it wants me to choose values along the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I plug 1 into my equation and I type into my calculator, 0.22 plus 0.10 times 1, that gives me 32 cents. If I change it to times 2, that would give me 0.42 cents. Times 3 is 0.52 cents. Times 4 is 0.62 cents. And if you notice the pattern, this should be 0.72, which it is. From there, you want to graph your function. So notice this is minutes, and this is your rate, or your money in cents, which makes sense because all of my y values, they are in change. So if 1 minute costs 32 cents, you got 1 minute cost 32 cents. 2 minutes is 42 cents. 3 minutes is 52 cents. 62 cents and 72 cents. 5 minutes will cost 72 cents, because you want to make sure that you answer the question that's above. Your data is going to be discrete because, once again, you're not paying for a partial of a minute. You have to pay for whole minutes. So if you talk, or you talk for like 1 minute and 10 seconds, the company is going to charge you for 2 minutes. You're not going to pay partial of a cost.